Look, Carmen. What letter is that? Hey, Carmen. What letter is that?
A.
What letter is that right here?
M.
Very good. Hey, what letter is that? What letter is that? What letter is that?
A.
Very good. What letter is that?
E.
Very good. What letter is that?
A.
No, that's not A. What letter is that?
D.
D. Very nice. What letter is that? What's that letter?
Z.
Z. Very good. And what letter is that, Carmen?
H.
No, that's close though. What letter is that?
Tester.
Not quite. What letter is that?
Quiet.
No. I.
I.
Very good. Yay, Carmen. Give Mommy a high five. All right. Say hi. You want to say hi to the camera? Say hi.
Hi, Elmo.
Yeah. All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right.